Today, we have something truly special for you, the all-new 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ. This isn't just any SUV. It's Cadillac's first all-electric Escalade, and it's packed with luxury, technology, and performance. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the aesthetics and design. The Escalade IQ is a visual masterpiece. From its bold front grille to the sleek, aerodynamic lines, this SUV commands attention. The LED curved pillar-to-pillar, 55-inch diagonal display is a standout feature, giving the front a futuristic look. The 24-inch wheels and the panoramic fixed glass roof add to its imposing presence on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of cutting-edge technology. The Escalade IQ features a 55-inch total diagonal LED display that spans the front row, providing a seamless and immersive experience. The Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance technology is a game-changer, offering a new level of convenience and safety. And for the audiophiles, the 36-speaker AKG audio system delivers an unparalleled sound experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The Escalade IQ is built on Cadillac's Ultium EV architecture, offering a Cadillac-estimated 460 miles of range. With dual motors providing 750 horsepower and 785 pounds-feet of torque, this SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control ensure a smooth and responsive driving experience. Luxury like this comes at a price. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ starts at $127,700. For those looking for even more features, the Luxury 2 trim offers additional amenities and starts at a higher price point. Comfort is paramount in the Escalade IQ. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including leather and wood accents. The front seats offer 16-way power adjustments with lumbar massage, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. The second row's executive seating provides first-class luxury with ample legroom and heated seats. Safety is a top priority for Cadillac. The Escalade IQ comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including enhanced automatic emergency braking, blind zone steering assist, and HD surround vision. The adaptive headlamp system with automatic leveling and cornering ensures optimal visibility in all conditions. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ is a remarkable blend of luxury, technology, and performance. It's a testament to Cadillac's commitment to innovation and excellence. If you're in the market for a top-tier electric SUV, the Escalade IQ should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates.